In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Honeywell thermostat display if it has gone blank or not working properly. So if your Honeywell thermostat display is not working, what you want to do first is to go over to your circuit breaker. On your breaker box, you want to find the switch labeled HVAC or AC. So you want to check if this switch is tripped. If it is tripped, you want to flip it back on. And even though the switch is not tripped, what you want to do is to flip it off and then back on. Alright, and then you want to come back to your thermostat to check if the display is working. If the display is still not working, what you want to do next is to check and replace your batteries. Like this one here, what you want to do is to pull it off the wall. You want to hold it this way and pull it out. So you can see the batteries in here. This one uses two AA batteries. So you want to get the old batteries out this way. Alright, and then get your new batteries in. So make sure you insert your new batteries properly and make sure you don't mix old batteries with new ones. Okay, and now you can see the display is on, and then you want to get it back into place. You just want to push it into place this way. Okay, so now you can see the display is working. So that's how to fix your Honeywell thermostat display problems. What you want to do first is to go over to your breaker box and find the switch labeled HVAC or AC. You want to check if the switch is tripped. If so, you want to flip it back on, and then you want to come back to your thermostat. If the display is still not working, you want to remove it from the wall and then replace the batteries. Alright, so that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.